Hello guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love Chrisville shares stunning photo as he pens down heartwarming letter to his love. Hi guys, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops. Chrisville was one of the love guests of the just concluded #1 Nigerian TV love show called Ultimate Love. Chrisville went to Ultimate Love show in search of true love and to find his happiness ever after. Fortunately for him, he found it, but the journey was indeed rough, but at the end, true love wins. Chrisville earlier today took to his Instagram page to share an emotional love message he drafted out for the love of his life. Love were to be seen in the air as he shared this emotional love letter to his better half. In his words, he said, "Confessions, my love for you is uncontrollable. With you, my heart finds its beat. Before you came into my life, I felt emptiness. When you showed up, I knew you were that special one for me. Your smile makes me shy, and sometimes I wonder where you have been. But now I'm glad you are in my life. You have made an impact that no other can. At Chris Ada Official, you are indeed the storm, and you are unstoppable. Together we will sail the 7 seas, and we shall conquer forever till eternity. My very own Chris born girl." See the cute and romantic photo he shared that got fans talking. Even the co-winner of the show, Rosie, couldn't help but trip for their cuteness. Fans took to his comment section to show love to the couples as they wished them well. Okay, Chris and Chrisville were both lovers at the just concluded TV show. Together they were given the couple name Double Chris. It was amazing to see how their love grew from becoming friends into lovers. They were among the couples that made it to the finals. Double Chris haven't seized the opportunity to amaze fans with their day-to-day activities, dropping photos, videos, and even holding live sessions to dish out words of wisdom and encouragement to their fellow fans. We can't wait to hear their wedding bells and see them on the altar together. Double Chris all the way. So guys, what do you have to say about the love of this couple? Kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.